Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Richmond Estate. Richmond Estate is located in St. Anne. It's 15 minutes from Ocho Rios, about 10 minutes from Drexel, and 50 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. So this is probably the nicest development in Jamaica. As you can see, as we're driving through, you're not going to believe you're in Jamaica. This looks like a development you would see in a first world country like the US. It's very nice. It's very impressive. And this Richmond Estate has actually won awards all over the world. This is not only the nicest development in Jamaica, it's the nicest development in the Caribbean and in this hemisphere. It is made up of 6 gated communities, and they have 3 styles of homes. You have townhouses, you have apartments, and you have homes. It's a very popular, this estate basically. This is the first one, Richmond Estate. These homes are very popular for Airbnb rentals, very popular. So this development has an infinity pool, it has a clubhouse, it has a country store, a private beach, it even has a medical center. It has a gym, it has a tennis courts, it has a lot of activity courts, and it has a shopping and entertainment areas. So it's perfect for persons who want to rent an Airbnb in Jamaica. And as we said, it's 15 minutes from Ocho Rios, where you will find the major tourist attractions like Benj River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin Cove. And it's 50 minutes from the Sangster International Airport, which is the busiest airport in Jamaica, and 85% of all tourists that come to Jamaica use that airport. So it's very easy to access Richmond Estate. And this entire project is the vision of Elias Issa, also known as Lee Issa, and he's the chairman of the Couples Hotel. Alright guys, so that's just a quick or brief history of Richmond Estate. So enjoy the tour as we drive around this estate, or drive around this development. It's very nice, very impressive, as you can see. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.